Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to use labels on your Gmail account. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go on your Gmail section through the browser, and after that click on the select bar if you want it for all the messages, or after undoing it, just click on the messages that you want to label or tag. So after that, just click on this label option. Now you can choose one label that has been set by default, or you can create a new one. To create a new one, you just have to type the names and click on create tab. And if I mark it as social, all these messages will fall under this label. So that's it. You can even manage your labels by the section. To do that, just click on it and you can see all the messages have been managed accordingly. You can set it all up. You can decide as you may please. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon below for the latest updates. Thank you.